Hi, I'm Scott Medwatts, Chantecaille's global brand ambassador. And chances are, if you're a fan of our brand, you're using Chantecaille's Ultra Sun Protection Primer before applying your foundation. But did you know Chantecaille has 2 additional primers to help you achieve your preferred finish while protecting against pollution and helping to prolong the wear of your foundation? So what is your preferred finish? For those of you who prefer a more naturally matte finish, Chantecaille's anti-pollution mattifying cream is perfect for you. This velvety primer not only helps to prolong the wear of your foundation, but also helps to minimize the appearance of blackheads and pores. And for those of you that prefer a more dewy or satin finish, Chantecaille's anti-pollution finishing essence is the primer for you. This primer is super unique that when you apply it onto the skin, it literally feels like nothing. And in addition to protecting against pollution, it also helps to address loss of radiance and dullness in the skin. To apply, simply take 2 drops into the palm of your hand and use Chantecaille's foundation and mask brush to apply the primer onto the skin. So whether you prefer a more dewy satin finish or a naturally matte finish, Chantecaille has the perfect primer for you. So let us know, what is your preferred finish?